Well, what do you do when it's raining outside? And there's not much you can do outside at all, especially if you don't want to get your camera gear wet. You come in here and you start tackling some projects. Get 3 things done, it's a good day. These straps are absolutely ridiculous. I can't get them undone. I mean, they're on there so tight, I don't even know what to do. It's ridiculous. We'll keep working at it. Alright, well, we're making some progress, but little Missy here is falling asleep, and I kind of thought that would happen. So we'll keep plugging away. It's probably only been about 10 minutes or so. I'm dying. Literally dying. My back is killing me. Ridiculous. I moved some boxes and such, and my back is killing me. I can't stand this anymore. Okay, so there's a little more to go, not too much. Big table to move, not too bad. If you work smart, not hard. She's still asleep, and it's only about like 5 more minutes, if even that. But I wanted to uncover this thing for a little bit. It was a project that I started a while ago. I mean, like a while ago. And I never finished it. And it's probably about time to start finishing it. If I can. So, we'll see. Okay, I know this looks wildly unfunctional. She's still sleeping. But what's going on in here is there's a lot of stuff, a lot of years of accumulation, and I'm no stranger to trash picking or garbage picking or saying, hey, are you throwing that out? I'll take it. Everybody knows that. I get tons of used stuff. But the cool part is this whole swing set thing was built out of parts of the barn here and a few other pieces that I found. Everything was given, and maybe I bought the hardware. That was about it. The only thing I want to do is seal the wood, just so when it's out in the elements, it's not going to get destroyed. Because it is pretty big, it's pretty heavy, and like I said, the top beam is part of the barn, so you figure that was built in 1800s. I just don't want it destroyed. And it's kind of nice having it inside on a day like today when it's raining out. We could still come in here and swing. You know what I mean? But look at this. That is some of my real junky welds. But that was just a piece of, I don't know, whatever plating that was sitting around here. And it works for a little swing set brace. You know what I mean? And like I said, that top beam there was part of the barn. These 4x4s, I found them somewhere in the barn. All that pallet wood and such to slide, we garbage picked. It just fit in the car getting it home. Everything else is pallet wood. It works. It's nice and solid. And like I said, she's still sleeping. So I'm pretty much done for the day. There's a little things I need to get done, but you know what? I need help. My back is killing me. And unfortunately I can't leave because she's still sleeping. Or can I? I'm just joking. I wouldn't leave her out here like that, unattended in a swing in a barn that's over 100 years old with animals and foxes and woodchucks and possums and bats and raccoons and I don't know what else. Mice? No, not gonna happen. But if I got you good. Well, somebody woke up, you know, what, hour nap, hour and a half maybe, not too bad. Right, are you awake?
Okay.
All done?
It's broken.
Yeah, no, it's not broken, you're okay. we have to go ahead and make a present still. Not make, put together a present for my cousin's daughter. Second cousin? I don't know what that is. I don't know the family tree. But just the same, we gotta put it together for the birthday party this weekend. So maybe I'll go do that now and... Hold on, wait, stop. Okay, get up. Don't put it in here. Oh no, Robin. Oh, why'd you do that? No. Does it work? Robin, come on. Can you lift this? Oh, it's stuck. Can you get it? You get fruit snacks if you work on the car. Can you work on the car? Use a screwdriver. Yes. Thank you. Get a screwdriver.